Guys, we are back to today's video. So we got a few things to install on the 240. So first up, we'll probably tackle the more difficult install. This is the Dorch Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump. It's the key to making good power on B58s. If you guys didn't already know, or if you're new to this platform, the stock fuel system is pretty limited. You can run about E30 and make close to 440 wheel-ish. But the stock fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump, doesn't really cut it. So we opted for the Dorch Stage 2. This has plenty of fuel for a good amount over 600 wheel, which is past our goal anyway, so this will be plenty. So we got the install kit right here. It comes with an adapter, an alignment tool, and you got a little bracket here for the low pressure fuel line.
I opted for this one because it's plug and play.
Yeah, there's a few other options out there, like the Spool FX180. That technically has a little bit more fuel capacity than the Dorch, but by a couple 0 points. I think it's like 0.3. But yeah, it's not as plug and play as Dorch. Like they give you low pressure fuel line. They even give you a new high pressure fuel line because it's angled a little bit differently. So everything is so much easier to install in this kit. And this is plenty fuel anyway. And for the second thing, we probably won't show much of this because this is such an easy install, but we have a BMS catch cam, and you can see the lines right here. And it does also come with a little adapter for the PCV hose, I believe, and a bracket as well to kind of hang in the box. And we already got the intake. Kelby did that. I think he filmed it. That'll probably be a separate video, just little sound clips and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna kind of show you the steps. It's not going to be an exact install video. There's a few videos of this install in general, so it'll kind of just be a progress video, and kind of show you basically what it looks like to install. And yeah.
Bracket, rails on, just need to be tightened. Here's the old pump. Here's the old rail. Definitely what made this easier was taking off number 2 and number 5 cold packs. Big difference. When I was unscrewing this, it was rubbing on the coil pack, so I just decided to take them off. Now we're putting on the low pressure fuel line, and then next is the catch can.